Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save big on your web hosting with Hostinger by using a special coupon code. First, head over to the Hostinger website through the link in the description below to get that extra discount. Once there, choose your desired hosting plan, like the premium web hosting, and click Add to Cart. On the checkout page, make sure to enter my special coupon code. If you skip this step, you'll only receive a 71% discount. However, by using my code, you can snag a 74% discount on 24-month plans and an incredible 78% discount on 48-month plans. After entering the code, check that the discount has been applied before completing your purchase. That's it. You're all set up with Hostinger at an amazing price. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.